Hi everyone, this is Oruganti Naresh Kumar, working as an associate professor in CMR Technical Campus, Hyderabad. Many of you think that C programming language is the first programming language. No, this is not the first programming language. This is the most popular programming language which was designed and developed by Mr. Dennis Ritchie and at AT&T Labs, United States of America. So, in every curriculum, in every engineering colleges, most of the universities, the basic language is C language. Most of the software companies prefer Java, PHP, .NET and all. But why we are learning the C language? We are learning the C language because the most of the technologies in the market right now have taken their roots from the C language. But if you learn the C language, it will be easy for you to know how to learn that language, the structure, everything will be easy. So, the most popular language is C language because of its structure, rules and regulations. C majorly concentrate on the concept called as functions. So, C majorly concentrate on the function because C communicates between function, one function communicate with the another function, and some other important concepts like loops will explain you how to repeat you the same thing again and again. In olden days we used to use go to statements for jumping and repetition, but we use loops, which is the most trend in the C programming language. Later the major important concepts in C are pointers and file concepts. So, pointers and files, as I said, which are very important. If you don't understand the pointers, you cannot exactly access the address location, what are the problems in the pointers, which has been rectified in the Java technology, and some concepts like functions, which you learn how to perform the modular programming like divide and conquer methods. Some of the complex topics that we feel, but actually they are not complex if you understand really, like functions, pointers and structures and unions. These are felt like complex topics. When coming to how to rectify those and how to learn it simply, simple thing, convert every concept into real time example, then it will be, everything will be easy. So, functions, if you want to do functions, so everybody will feel that functions are different concept, parameters, passing technique, those are. So, for that purpose, take an example like your marriage at your home and divide it into different works. Each work is done by one function. Consider like that. So, everything you convert into real time example. It will be very easy for you. Common mistake that the students do in subject is they are not learning the C language. They are butifying the programs. Faculty will give some programs, they will copy paste, execute in the lab and butify that one, write exam. No, this is the blunder mistake you people doing. First learn how that program is. First learn syntax of the program, then apply the logical thinking on that. If you want to do addition of two numbers, nobody should say you that you need a third variable to store that result. So, think logic, think apply whatever you are thinking in real, make it easy, convert into program. Most of the engineering students who prepare for the exam, they prepare in the last minute by using the all-in-one by any of the companies that they have printed. But this is the mistake. Use all-in-one, but only for previous questions. Prepare some standard books like Farojan, Yashwant Kanitkar. Those who don't know any basic, you can just see the book called as E. Balaguru Swami. There are many other textbooks which if you are perfect in C, you can learn Dennis Ritchie textbook also. Preparation should be, as I told you, step by step procedure. First learn the concept, why we are using that concept, then syntax, then example programs. So, in the presentation also you have to follow the same step, but whenever you see one program, don't butify. First try to edit and do the changes so that it will be very much easy for you. So, presentation should be concept or definition, example, and the final thing is syntax. These three things are very much important for you to prepare and present. All the best.